there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox and review Apsara Mechano Eraser. This eraser costs you 20 rupee. Inside the pen you will get a eraser and you will get an eraser as a refill. Now let's open this. You should only use this eraser for highlighting the noses and ears. You should not use this for fully erasing the drawing. In local stationaries it will cost only 20 rupee, but in Amazon and Flipkart it will cost 30 rupee and delivery charge is 80 rupee. It will be lost for you. So buy this in your local stationaries only, and this is the cheapest version of Tombow eraser now. So now let's do comparison and testing of these two erasers. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and share this to your all drawing friends.